Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can reset your master decoder and then scan the decoder to get the channels on it. So maybe the channels have appeared twice on it, or you are not having some particular channel, or you are experiencing some difficulties on your decoder. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and you look for the menu button on the remote, you press on it. It's going to take you to the menu. On the menu page, you look for installation. Installation, press OK on it. And installation here, you come down to the factory resets. And then you need to confirm with a default code or the password, which is 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed it, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. You type in 4 zeros and then you press OK to proceed. So after rebooting, then you go on to scan your decoder to get back your channels. So if today happens to be your first time being here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Share the video as well. So you wait for the rebooting to complete and you proceed with whatever you need to do for the scanning. So here there is no program on it, as you can see on the screen. You press on the menu button once again. On the menu page, you come to the installation, select the DVB S2, which is satellite 2nd generation, and you press OK on it. And on this page, we have the antenna settings, satellite list, transponder list. You come to the antenna settings. And on this page, you need to select the satellite, the LMB frequency, the dissect, and then you proceed with the TP and you go on to scan. So with the satellite, you need to select a satellite that you can use it to actually do the Multitv installation or any FT installation. So you can select the Hotbird or Astra 19 if that's what you need to select. After selecting the satellite, you need to check the LMB frequency is supposed to be a universal figure. So you come to the LMB and then you press on it. These 3 figures over here are the universal figures. So you select and then you go back, come to the dissect. Since it's not multiple LMBs, put it off. And you come to the TP, you need to add a Multitv TP. Since you have formatted the decoder, there won't be the Multitv TP on it. So you press on the green button, which will let the TP list pop up. So on this page, you need to add. And with the adding to, you need to press on the green button once again for the menu to pop up for you to add. And here, you need to add a Multitv TP, which is 12525 vertical 30K, and you press OK to save. So you highlight it exactly like this, and on this page, if you are to search it from here, you will not get access to the blind scan option. So all you have to do is to go back, you press on the exit to come back to the antenna settings page. And on this page, since the signal quality is showing 80% over there, it's supposed to show more than 60%. So if the quality have turned green, which indicate that you are having a signal from the satellite dish. So all you got to do is to change the satellite, the start search option over here from satellite to either blind or super blind, and you press OK. And here you can actually sort the channels out with the FTA only. If you select yes, it's gonna actually eliminate those channels with a $ sign that most of them won't be working. So you can select yes over here. And the TV radio, if you prefer to actually get only the TV channels, you are not interested in the radio, you select the TV and you press OK to proceed with the start search. And then you wait for the scanning to complete to get access to the channels that will be on the platform. So you should be doing this on a regular basis. If you don't have any installer nearby, you're supposed to be doing it on your own scan it on a regular basis. Since it's an FTA channel, they used to add more channels on a regular basis, and without you scanning it, those newer channels won't be part of the channels that will be on your decoder. So at least in every month, you're supposed to be scanning your decoder in search of the new channels that will be available on the app platform. So you wait for the scanning to complete, and then you get access to the channels that will be coming along with the scanning. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share on other platform, and you keep coming back for more.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Alright, so after scanning, all you got to do is to press OK to save, and you go ahead to enjoy the channels that is available on your decoder. So the signal strength or the signal quality will determine the number of channels that you're going to get on your decoder. So if you are having below 50%, you are likely not to get enough of the FTA channels that is available. And you can also select FTA only. You can select no. Most of the channels with the dollar sign also work, so if you don't want to sort them out, you can just leave it. After scanning, then you check through the list. If any channel that is not working, then you delete it manually from it. So that's it. If today happens to be your first time being here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.